Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for choosing to see what I have to post today. I am Martin Gonzalez. Today I'm going to be giving a breakdown for my losing trade that I took on June 9th. It was Monday, start of the week. Took an L, and I just want to do a recap for you guys to see where the entry should have been, where the exit should have been, and where the price action went, and where I could have gone a little bit better entry compared to where I did. So let's go ahead and go to the charts. Now that we are at the charts, I kind of just want to show you guys my thought process and how I saw the market this morning. It's at this time it is 8:50 going into the open. We'll go one click. It is now 8:50. We'll go a couple more clicks. 9:05. It is now 9:10. 20 minutes till the open. From what I can tell, is it's close to this London low. I should have known that it was probably going to go to that Asian session low just based off of where it's at. But what I did was I said, well, I'm going to go long right here, big figure level, 807. If it goes lower than that Asian session range, I was okay with it. I was going to target 1 to 2, 43,000 big figure level. And let's see what happened. Got stopped out. It was pretty fast. I'm on Top Step X, so I just manually locked myself out for the day. But as you can see, it started to reject this Asian session low. Someone could have got in at this low right here. And let's see if there's any like fibs that we could have like done to predict that move going there. It's a 50% range. It's coming up just 50% of this whole move. It's back at that 50% area, so yeah. So let's go ahead and just continue to let this trade play out. Ooh. It even went lower than that. Okay, so let's say we had a 100-point stop and we got in at the Asian session low. We would have got stopped out, guys. We would have gotten stopped out. I would have gotten stopped out right there. Let's see what happens. And this thing starts to trend up. Okay, so where am I looking? What am I doing? How can we have predicted it could have came into this area? There is this gap right here, 5-minute gap. It never got into it, as you guys can see. It got close to it, but let's bring this out. And it actually did tap right into that gap at that moment. So someone could have waited for this fair value gap to have gotten filled. This price right here is 600. Even a 650 would have been a safe bet. Right there would have been a safe bet. To then have gone higher. TP 2.5 would have been nice. London highs right there, 2.4, 2.25. So yeah, guys, that's just me going over the trade with you guys. I'm not gonna journal today with you guys. You guys can do that on your own. Just go ahead and screenshot this and go ahead and do what you guys need to do. And I'm gonna let you guys go. Please like, comment, subscribe. You guys see these zones right here, these places where there's these gaps where price can react, these highs and lows, liquidity zones where things can react off of. So you're trying to predict where price can go and then have a reaction off of. Until tomorrow, I'll come back and show you guys my Tuesday's June 10th trade review.